Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing the hood struts on my car. I'll try to make this fast as it's pouring out here. But as you can see, the hood would not stay up. It would just keep collapsing. Yeah. So let's get these replaced. So I picked these up on eBay. They were like $15. They had pretty good reviews for the Infiniti Q50. All you need to do is just pop this metal pin off and it will come right off. It's literally all to it. And then it's the same thing for the bottom. You just need to pop that little metal pin off with a flat tip and it should come right off. Sorry guys, I got the old ones out. I got something holding up the hood. I'll just snap the new one in, and it's really simple. It's just these pins already pre-installed on the new ones. You just have to snap them in place at the bottom, and then same for the top. Just snap them in place. Just like that. And same for the left side. Just snap them in place. So with this. There we go. Now I could just remove this and the hood is up. So now we're out with the old and with the new. Works perfect. Open right up.